Hi everyone, this is Jenny from Jenny's DIY Studio, and today I'm going to show you how I do the magic circle. The magic circle is this in the middle. It's actually what we start with by doing amigurumi. See, like this one, and I have another one that is smaller on the bottom. See, that one is more close. And for this one, as you see, is bigger. That one I used this hook. This one is 5 millimeter. And for the white one that I already showed you is this one. For the smaller the amigurumi, the smaller the hook. So for teaching purposes, I'm gonna use a bigger one so that you can see the stitches. See, this one is 6 millimeters or a J. What I do is I have my hook on my right hand because I'm right-handed, and I grab my yarn that I'm gonna use. So with these 2 fingers, I hold a tiny tail, and then I wrap it around 2 times. 1, 2. Okay, to have 2 loops instead of 1. Mostly, a lot of people do 1 loop, but I want a strong doll or amigurumi, and so I do 2. So I put my hook inside and I crochet as normal. I pull the loop and then I do chain 1. Okay, so I have 1 change. Then I'm gonna work from the inside 6 single crochets. So this is 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. This is 5. And 6. So I have 6 single crochets. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, what I do, I grab my tail and I pull it to know which one is pulling first. Okay, so that's the one that I'm gonna pull now to close it. See how it's closing? So I pull it until, see how tight it is? See? And then take out the tail from the way, and now I pull this so it's completely closed. And now you have your 6 stitches. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now you can keep on working around. Hope this video helps you start it on the magic circle. See you on the next one. Bye.